Welcome back to the Sprinter van build. Today I'm going to be removing the black plastic mouldings down the side of the van and sealing up behind them. It seems to be a bit of an issue with these where water is getting in behind them at the clips. So I'm going to take all them off, seal them up and make them good. Okay, so I've got the first bit of trim off on the sliding door. Okay, as you can see there's a few of the clips still left in. Some of them came out with the trim, like that. I'm going to have to remove the rest now. So that's the clips. And just clip it like that. Try and do it one-handed here. And it just comes out. So that's it. So quite straightforward. These plastic tools, these from Amazon. Good selection, but handy because they don't scratch the paint. Okay, so I've re-put the clips all back in. They're all sealed. I was kind of confused which way to do it. I didn't know whether to put the clips back into the trim and then put the sealant on and then seal it, or the way I've done it, I've sealed them in there now. So let's hope that's right. Let's give it a go and put it all back on. Okay, so luckily for us, we only had one block drain hole. You know, it still contained a significant amount of water, so it was really good to get this job done. Okay, so a quick look here. I'm sure you all know now, but these here, those are the drain holes. Obviously they're quite small, but it seems to be a bit of a notorious problem with these Sprinters. So basically, you know, I've got this little pick here, and it's just literally pop it in there, give it a bit of a wiggle about. And obviously if it was blocked with mud or whatever, or silt or anything, you'd clear it and then water would come out like it did on the other hole. But this side seems okay so far. Finally done. It took a little bit longer than I thought, because when you're taking out every single clip and putting sealant on every single one, putting it all back, it's a long job, but at least it's done, and we can move on to the next one. So it's going to be windows, so follow us on the journey with that one.